Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to free up space in your Google account using the Google One Storage Manager. The Storage Manager can be accessed through one.google.com/storage/management. The link is in the description as well. Please note that to use this feature you need to have a personal Google account, which is basically gmail.com. If you are using a G Suite account, then you will not be able to use this feature. If you scroll down, you'll see some suggestions for freeing up space, such as discarded items, which includes deleted emails, spam emails, and deleted files. If the option is grayed out, that means that there is nothing for you to delete. However, if it is blue, then you can click on it to free up space. Another category is large items, which includes large attachments from Gmail, large files from Drive, as well as large photos and videos from Google Photos. And finally, there's other items which has unsupported videos that come from Google Photos. As you can see, this is a pretty useful feature. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from this option, and I'll see you next time.